Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talk Tuesday with Tony for Titanium Wireless. This week we're going to talk about iOS 14, the new iPhone operating system that was just released from the WWDC Worldwide Developers Conference with Apple. The iOS should be rolling out in September. That's the goal. We know that there's a new normal, so we don't know exactly when it's going to come, but they're hoping for fall. So we're going to talk about what I feel are the 5 best changes to the operating system. Now, before you get really excited, I know a lot of Android users will say, we already had this, or if you jailbroke your phone, you already had this. But Apple likes to wait, and so we're gonna talk about, in order, I think, the 5 best new features of iOS 14. So let's start with number 1. Widgets on the home screen. Finally, a lot of people have been waiting for this, but now your home screen is not locked down to what Apple tells you needs to be on there. So you can have your calendar, you can have weather, you can have a picture, you can add your own widgets to your home screen. Finally, if you notice the tone of my voice, you can finally have the home screen look the way you want it to look. That's, I think, the biggest change, something that everybody's been waiting for on iOS 14. Let's go ahead and move on to number 2. Clips. Now, app clips are a very new idea, at least for me. And what it is to kind of save space on your phone, but also, really, let's kind of talk about it. So, what an app clip is just a piece of the app you need. So, I don't know about you, and I'll be perfectly honest. I wanted to get some cupcakes the other day, and so I had to go to Sprinkles, and I went, you know what, I'm going to download the Sprinkles app. Of course, it was ordered to go and delivered and all that stuff. But I had to download the entire app in order to order the cupcakes, and then I had to delete the app. So what App Clips does is it allows you to just have that chunk of the app when you need it, and then it's gone. I'm really curious to see how this will work, but I think there's a lot of times where we want to use apps and then get rid of them, or just want to use a piece of an app. And so this is a new thing that's coming to iOS 14. Of course, we're gonna have to wait for developers to implement those pieces, but this to me was a really exciting and intriguing change. Let's go on to number 3. Compact calls. Now, I almost jailbroke my phone once just for this. Compact calls, now when the phone rings, you can answer it and not lose the app that you're currently on. Thank you very much. We've been waiting for that. Very simple. No need to talk other than it's about time. Compact calls, number 3. Let's move on to number 4. Number 4 and 5 are about messages. And so what happens in messages, there's the first change is that you can now pin conversations. So I know with us at Titanium Wireless, sometimes we do have threads of text messages with a customer that we need to go back to, but then they're way down at the end because other texts have come in. Now you can pin that conversation so you can easily go back to it. As more and more businesses are using text as a means of communication with their customers, I think this is a great feature. So pinning message conversations. That's number 4. Let's go on to our last one, number 5, again related to messages. And that is for group messages, you can now do inline replies so that you can reply directly to a specific message in a group conversation, so you don't have to get into the entire group conversation. And also, when you have a direct message to someone, you can also have a link straight to that person with a mention. So those are the 5 big changes, the last 2 about messages that are coming to iOS 14. Again, I think these are pieces that will help your business if you use iPhones in the field, especially those pinned conversations and the mentions in messages, and also, of course, the widgets, because you could have your own company's widget right on that home screen. Don't forget, Titanium Wireless can help you with this and all of your wireless business needs. We sell all the carriers, give us a call at 850-565-1234 or check us out on the web at titaniumwireless.com. Have a great rest of your week.
Right now, your business needs to stay connected, and your mobility partner must deliver innovative solutions fast. Titanium Wireless has engineered a scalable mobile response kit for your business to have the best connection wherever you are. Customize your kits for any role, from executives to employees in the field. Let Titanium Wireless design a solution for your business today.